Hey guys, so while I'm in the mood to kind of share some of these items with you, if you've been on the website, you have most likely seen the embroidery kits. Now I've already opened this one, but this is what the box looks like. This is the embroidery kit. This is by a woman who lives in North Carolina, and I absolutely adore her, and I follow her on Instagram. Her company is called Cozy Blue Handmade. Y'all can go over there and follow her. She's amazing. I am so excited that I get to carry her kits in the shop. So I was curious because I had only ever looked at one of them, what was inside the kit. So sometimes when I look at stuff online, it's like, well, that looks cool on the outside, but like, I know it says it has stuff in it, but what's actually in it? So really quickly, I'm gonna walk you through what is in one of these amazing little kits by Cozy Blue Handmade. And this is for embroidery. So this kit says that it's got the wooden hoop, needle, pre-printed fabric pattern, embroidery floss, basic stitching instructions, and a getting started guide. I already opened it because I couldn't wait. And it's a good thing I did because I got stuck with the sticker on the outside. So the whole video would have been me like, fumbling around with the sticker. So here's what the box looks like. Inside the box comes all of these amazing little things. So there are cards, and on the back she's got her contact information and where she is on Instagram, which is at Cozy Blue. So that was really cool. It does come with a needle that is in a package, so it is safe. You can't get stuck with this. I mean, I guess you could, but if you're that creative, we need to connect. And then there is embroidery floss. This color, I believe, is an ecru. Very pretty for the pattern that I'm going to attempt. And I'll keep you guys updated on that with some pictures, maybe a video or two. I don't know if you guys want to see me like cussing and crying every time I stab myself with a needle, because embroidery is not really my first talent or best talent. So then she has this awesome stitch guide. So it covers all of the basic stitches, front and back, that you need to know. So this is super handy, super amazing. And then there's more on her cozybluehandmade.com website and also on Instagram. So she does offer support with how to do these. Let's see. This is the getting started with embroidery, like what you're supposed to do in what order, which is cool because some of us have never done this before, even though we've been in other needle arts. And then when you open the kit, so there's this cool picture of her working on this particular design. And then on the back is a really nice message to everybody who buys one of her kits. And then, dun dun dun, the hoop, which is cool. It's a wooden hoop with a little brass fixture on it. This is the one I'm going to be doing. Hopefully I can make it look as good as the one that she has done. And then it has the directions or the pattern directions that you're going to want to use for this particular thing. So the last piece of the puzzle is the fabric. And this fabric fits into this frame. And then we just stitch over her like beautiful little lines. I'm so excited to do this. Like, I get really excited and then I jump into something. So I'm gonna try to slow myself down. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna watch some of her videos, and I'm definitely going to read about some of the stitches that I'm not familiar with. I really only know how to do 2 stitches. I made a quilt, which I'll share with you guys one day. It was like a slow process that I wanted to stay focused on, and so I hand sewed an entire queen size quilt, which I wouldn't recommend to anyone who's impatient, but it actually did help me with patience and appreciating like a finished project, once it's done. Like when you invest time and energy into something like that, if you can breathe while you're doing it, and if you get lost in it, it's like a sort of meditation, can be really helpful. Very distracting, good distraction, healthy distraction. So this is happening this week. I will share it with you guys as soon as I get started. Bye.